God bless you all. Welcome to my Friendly Maths channel. These magic squares are one of the best ways to inculcate interest in maths among small kids. Okay? And just encourage them to solve these magic squares so that their mental maths will be strengthened. यहाँ देखते हैं अभी इस स्क्वायर में इस कॉलम में हमें 2 स्क्वेयर्स कंप्लीट फिल है और इस रो में भी हमें 2 स्क्वेयर्स कंप्लीट फिल है. दिस इज 8 + 3 इज इक्वल टू यहाँ पे हमें मिलता है 11. ओके, एंड इट इज़ 8 + 6 यहाँ मिल रहा है हमें 8 + 6 इज इक्वल टू 14. राइट, तो हम ये 14 बड़ा है इसलिए पहले यहाँ देख लेते. यहाँ हम कोई भी नंबर ले सकते हैं अपने चॉइस के मुताबिक. लेट्स टेक हियर 1. Right, so 8 + 1 9 + 6 that is equal to 15. Now we need to fill the remaining squares in such a way that the sum of each and every row and each and every column will be equal to 15. Okay, so now what can we do here? 8 + 3 in the first column, 8 + 3 11, 11 + 4 gives us 15. So this is 15 now. Right, and the top row 4 + 9 13, so 13 + 2 gives us 15. Right, now here the third column 6 + 2 8, 8 + 7. Just keep asking the child what may, so 8 + 6 + 2 8, so what should be added here? So in that way the his mental mass will be rapid now. So 6 + 2 8 + 7 that is equal to 15. And now the middle row 3 + 7 10 + 5 that is equal to 15. And the middle column 9 + 5 14 + 1 that is equal to 15. Okay, in this way we can easily complete these magic squares. Now let's take here in this case, in this square, only this is the column where we are getting 2 complete squares, right? So let's consider this first. 9 + 4 is equal to 13. You can fill here. Now in previous one I have taken 1, but here let us take 3. Doesn't matter. Okay, so 9 + 4 13 + 3, now we are getting 16. And now in top row 7 + 3 10, so we need to fill here 6, so that we will be getting 16 here. Okay, and in the vertical this column, third column, 6 + 1 is equal to 7, so 7 + 9 is equal to 16. Right, now it is 9 + 4 is equal to 13, so here it will be 3, that gives us 16. And here 9 + 1, so in center you can fill 6, so that we will be getting 16. Okay, here see, first these 2 are there, we have written here 3, so 9 + 4 13 + 3 16 we got. Okay, now here 3 and 7 is given, so 3 + 7 10, so 6 is added here to make it 16. Now here 6 + 1 7 we are getting, so we fill here 9, so that 7 + 9 gives us 16. And here 4 is there and 9 is there, 4 + 9 13, so to get 16 we completed this square with 3. Right, and now here 7 + 3 10, so we completed the center one with 6, so it also gives us 16. If you find this video useful, please like it and subscribe the channel for some more interesting questions. Thank you so much for watching.